Okay, so my previous video, I did a little tour of my 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser GT. In this video, I'm going to be showing off the power of this car by doing a series of acceleration tests. Now the first test will be a gradual acceleration test from 0 to 50 miles an hour. And then when I get out onto the freeway, I'll do a sudden acceleration test from 0 to 85. So you guys can get a feel for how powerful this car is, with a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with front-wheel drive at 215 horses of power and an acceleration time of from 0 to 60 at 2.4 seconds. It's no wonder this car has earned my nickname, my personal nickname, the 4 cylinders of Turbocharged Thunder. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the accelerations, and I hope you guys enjoy the video in general. And get ready to experience the power of the 4 cylinders of Turbocharged Thunder.